What if artificial intelligence is not here to replace humans, but to completely change how humans think, work, create, learn, and solve problems? What if the people who thrive in the future are not necessarily the smartest people, but the ones who learn how to work with AI effectively? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Ethan Mollick. This fascinating book explores how artificial intelligence is transforming education, creativity, productivity, business, problem-solving, and daily life, while also raising important questions about human skills, ethics, and the future of work. The central message of the book is this: AI works best when humans collaborate with it intelligently. The author describes AI as a form of co-intelligence, a powerful tool that can assist humans with creativity, writing, learning, brainstorming, analysis, and productivity. But the book also emphasizes human judgment, ethics, emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking still matter deeply. The future is not simply humans versus AI. It's about learning how humans and AI can work together effectively. One major lesson from the book is this: AI is transforming knowledge work rapidly. Tasks that once required hours can now sometimes be completed much faster with AI assistance. The author explains that people who learn to use AI wisely may gain major advantages in productivity and creativity. The book strongly emphasizes caution and critical thinking. AI can produce mistakes, misinformation, and biased outputs. That means humans still need judgment, reasoning, ethics, and verification skills. Use AI as assistance, not complete replacement for thinking. Human oversight remains essential. Another important lesson from the book: AI can support human creativity instead of simply replacing it. The author discusses how AI can help with brainstorming ideas, writing drafts, generating concepts, and exploring possibilities faster. The book also explains that uniquely human qualities may become even more important in the AI era. Skills like emotional intelligence, communication, empathy, leadership, ethics, and relationship building remain difficult for technology to fully replace. Human-centered skills remain powerful. One of the biggest lessons from the book is this: AI creates both opportunities and risks. The author encourages thoughtful and responsible use of technology. Important concerns include misinformation, overdependence on technology, ethical challenges, and societal impact. Technology should support humanity and not control it. The future may belong to people who learn how to collaborate intelligently with technology instead of resisting it blindly. If this message resonated with you, comment "Work with AI, not against it" below as a reminder to stay adaptable, curious, and thoughtful in the age of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in AI, productivity, technology, creativity, or the future of work today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.